Is there a keyboard chord for context menu button? On Windows PCs the context button is awesome. But on some keyboards, mainly laptops, they've stopped including a dedicated button. Is there a key combination that brings up the context menu?
Shift plus F10. One of my favorite shortcuts.
While not directly an answer to your question, there are possibly better solutions than Shift plus F10. Just as an example, it doesn't work here in the Chrome browser, while I'm typing this answer. Also in most programs where I actually need the context menu key, aka apps key, I use it so often, that I use both hands or stretch one awkwardly key combination like Shift plus F10 is unfavorable. Note however, that I can only comment on Windows solutions. Also these solutions assume that you have other keys, which you are willing to sacrifice. 1. Remapping keys through the Windows registry, or Sharpkeys utility. Windows allows remapping keys through the registry. Sadly this doesn't use any straightforward syntax, so you're probably better off using a third-party utility to generate the remappings such as Sharpkeys. The screenshot shows my configuration for the ThinkPad Edge E540, where the context menu key has been replaced by a print screen, but offers utility buttons, Open Calc.exe, Lock Screen, Open Browser, Open My Computer, which are entirely useless to me. Thankfully it uses descriptive names for the keys, such that it is unnecessary to find out the key codes yourself. Remapping the keys directly with the registry would still require third-party software in order to find out the key codes, especially for non-standard keys, so I recommend not bothering to try it as long as Sharpkeys works on your device. 2. Auto Hotkey. Alternatively you can remap keys with more general-purpose utilities such as Auto Hotkey. I used to use the script to remap print screen to apps and Shift plus print screen to print screen. One weakness of auto hotkey solutions however is that some programs, that access keyboard events on a lower level, such as many games, will not go through auto hotkey.
Shift plus F10 is such key. Unfortunately it's poorly supported in many applications, for example KDE for Dolphin does not seem to support it. As a workaround, I use a global binding that translates it into the standard menu key. @KDB has explained how to do that on Windows, so you can use their solution there. On Linux I've got it to work with auto key. Simply add this script and map it to an LT, Shift and GT +, and LT, F10 and GT. Note that you must save the script before the binding has effect.
Apart from the standard Shift plus F10, my Dell laptop has one more that works in a lot of situations, FN plus right control.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.